Hey guys, so I got a new camera. I have good quality now. I'm trying not to look at the little screen. But today I'm gonna be cleaning my really disgusting room. Yeah. So yes, let's just get on into it. So here's my disgusting little desk with all my makeup. And over here, it's just those are dirty makeup wipes and straws and me. Hi. My bed, there's a water bottle. Gross. I bought something for my makeup organized. Sheets off of my bed. This area is kind of clean. And then these are literally clean clothes. And then dirty clothes. My closet is a wreck. And trash. This is all just trash. And it's just really messy here. So Be right back. I'm gonna go bring these to the laundry room. I can actually walk in my room. So all I have left to do now is vacuum, because my floors are really crummy looking. So that is what I'm going to do. And then I'll be done, and it's gonna be really cute. Okay, let's go. I'm finally finished cleaning my room. It looks literally a million times better. So now I'm gonna show you guys because it is looking good and I'm out of breath. Okay. So, you know, walking in, here is the overview of my room. It is like so clean now. My bed's made, that area's clean besides my tripod right there. My desk is like crazy clean now. The floors are clean, there's no dirty clothes or clean clothes on the floor. And yeah, everything's all clean. How fun.
Take it in, feel it all around, take a breath, feel the wind, don't fake.
So that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed watching me clean my room. I really hope it motivated you to clean your room or organize your room or redecorate. I don't know. These videos always motivate me and make me want to like clean my nasty room. And I feel so much better now that it is clean. So go clean your room. But yes, I really hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe for more from me. I really hope you guys like the new quality. I'm so excited about this. Now it's here and this is the first video with it. Really hope you enjoyed it because I'm enjoying it. But yes, thank you so much for watching and bye.